Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. I'm going to turn my one painting from the live the other day into a triptych. So I already have my paints mixed. It's from this one. God, I absolutely loved this part right here. I'm putting this part on an umbrella. So comment below if you don't mind. Do you want to see tiles or do you want to see big pieces? Because if you want to see big pieces, I have big pieces all day long. So I just thought that the variety was better for you guys to see. I got a whole bunch of new mediums I'm getting ready to try out too. So we got a lot of good stuff going on here in the next couple weeks. If you haven't subscribed, if you subscribe, my videos will pop up in your feed. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you give me a like on my video, it helps my channel. So, either way, you have to be a YouTube, you have to have a YouTube, like a username and a password to like or subscribe or leave a comment. But, it's up to you. I didn't realize that in the beginning. I used to just watch videos and just roll on. And then I realized how much it really meant to the creator. Then I started liking and subscribing. Anyway, so the colors from the live the other day are all the same. It's brilliant magenta, bright aqua green, metallic cobalt blue, but I made it my own by adding metallic blue, neon green, color shift, teal flash, and phthalo blue is in there. Okay, so it gives you like that real pretty deep turquoise. Okay, and I have white. The silicone's gonna go into the white. Guys, that's another thing. New people. You know, I listened to everybody else in the very beginning, and I bought the coconut hair milk, but I could not get the consistency of cells the way I can with the Spot On treadmill lubricant. A little goes such a long way. It's $14 on Amazon. I wish I can't give affiliate links yet. I'm not monetized. But, eventually I'm going to come up with a product list of everything that I use so you guys can see firsthand. Alright, spray paint caps. You don't have to use them, but I do save all my olive oil caps. You know, like the spray olive oils like Pam and stuff like that. Hairspray caps. Whenever I run out of my tube paint, I unscrew these. I use these as caps. And that holds up my artwork. You can do that. You can use just regular cups. But I was using and wasting so many cups. And I waste enough cups already without doing that. So, another good thing, and I'm going to order them eventually. They're silicone cake molds. And they bend. You can roll them into a circle and hook them. And, you know, you can stack your canvas on that. But, anyway. Alright, so 10 by 20. That is the dimensions of the canvases. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Nope. Yes. I like those. They're really easy to work with. They're not too actually I don't even need 4. They're not too long, they're not too wide. You don't use that much paint. Anyway. Alright. So yeah, definitely let me know below whether or not you want large or small stuff. And then also tell me, I asked in another video, tell me what your favorite medium is to use or a medium that you'd like to try. Because chances are, I either already have it or I've used it, and I have a video sitting on my computer somewhere that I have neglected to upload. I do that a lot. And I don't mean to, it's just I get so involved into painting, and my videos back up, And before I know it, I've got so many videos I needed to upload, and I just kind of pick and choose which ones I should upload, and the rest just hang out on my computer and collect dust. I don't know if that happens to any of you guys. Also, techniques. I would love to know what techniques you guys are into as well, because I've been doing a lot of flip cups for a while, and dirty pours and stuff. I mean, I had a really pretty ring pour that I did a while back, but then I felt like everybody was doing them, so I kind of wanted to be different a little bit. And then I started pouring without silicone and trying different densities and stuff, and then I got kind of lost in the sauce. So, alright, let's do this. Wait a minute. I need a little cup. Alright, so I always like to pour some of my white off into another cup, so that way if I want to have white as my top layer. Normally I would put 1 drop of silicone in a smaller cup. This time I'm putting 2 drops of silicone in. So 1, 2, that's it. Alright, and then I take my little popsicle stick, and this is very important if you want the cells that I get. This is all I do every single time. Okay, I spin 3 times and then I count. So as 1, 2, 3, that's 1, 1, 2, 3, that's 2, 1, 2, 3, and then that's 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And that is it. Okay. Canvas. It's pretty flappy, okay? Can you hear? Alright, so what I do is, because it's all flimsy and stuff, I take a spray bottle, just water, and I spray the back of it. Just like that. Give it a second. Give it like, you know, like 30 seconds or so. Okay? It'll tighten. Here, wait a minute. Now it sounds like a drum. It had, before it had just kind of like a thump, and now it has like a gong, like a, you know, like an echo to it. Actually, you know what, I wasn't going to do it, but yeah, I am adding 1 more cup that way. Maybe I should. You know what, I don't feel like having any disasters tonight, and I am the queen of disaster. What is it? The master of disaster. Master of disaster. No base coat, guys. I don't need it. I don't want it. I don't need it. It's up to you, though. It's, you know, if you want your paint to slide more easily, you can always use one. I purposely don't. Alright, so stuff is a little thick. Nope, I'm going to be alright with it. I purposely want my paint thick this time. Let me see. I believe it was 10 ounces of paint, okay? Let's see what we're working with. look at that. Oh man. Love stuff like that. So here you go. Doesn't that look like an eyeball right there? Right there. Oh my gosh. Here will be the middle piece, like that. Maybe. I don't know. No, that will be the middle piece. That will be left, that'll be right. I think. That's how we'll do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye.